addition of like fractions. We'll see that how to add and how to subtract the fractions if they are like fractions. Now like fractions are those fractions whose denominators are same. Let's say I'm taking an example, 1 by 8 and 3 by 8. These are two fractions and you have to add them. Now first thing you will see whether they are like or not. Means denominator of both the fractions are same or not. Denominators are same, that is 8. So how will you do this question? 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Now denominator is same. So in the answer you will write the same denominator, that is 8. And you will just add the numerators like 1 plus 3. Now it will be 4 by 8. Now you can simplify this. After the cutting you will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the answer. Now subtraction. Let's say fraction is 9 by 5 and 2 by 5. You have to subtract these two fractions. Again, first thing you will see is whether their denominators are equal or not. Yes. What you will do is 9 by 5 minus 2 by 5. In the denominator you will write the same denominator, that is 5, and you will just subtract the numerators, that is 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 will be 7 by 5. Now this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator, and you can convert improper fractions into mixed fraction. Convert this into mixed fraction. It will be 1 integer 2 by 5. This is the answer. This one is also correct and this one is also correct. Exercise 7.5. You will do the first and second question yourself in the book. You just have to write the fractions by looking at the figure and then add and subtract. 1 minus 2 by 3. Now first what you have to do is you have to convert them into like fractions. Numbers which are not having anything in the denominator, their denominator is 1. So you can write 1 as 1 upon 1. Now you have to convert these fractions into like fractions. So 1 upon 1, by which number will multiply 1 to get 3? 3. It will be 3 upon 3. Now you have two like fractions. 1 by 1 can be written as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So now denominator is same. So you can write 3 as denominator and 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is the answer. 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. Now 4 is the common denominator. So in the numerator you can write 1 plus 0. So it will be 1 upon 4. ऐसे we have k part 0 by 2 plus 0 by 2. Again 2 is the common denominator. In the numerator you can write 0 by 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0 upon 2. Anything in any fraction in which numerator is 0, the answer will be 0. So first you will convert them into improper fractions. So open this. 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. So it will be 7 by 3. 3 into 1 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 3. Now these two are like fractions. Denominator will be 3. In numerator it will be 7 minus 5. So it is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the answer. Fourth question. Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall. How much did they paint together? Shubham painted 2/3, Madhvi painted 1/3. You have to tell how much did they paint together. It means you have to add both the fractions. So again you will add and it will be 3/3, 1. It means they painted the whole wall together. Kamlesh bought 3 integer 1/2 kg sugar and Anwar bought 2 integer 1/2 kg of sugar. Find the total amount of sugar bought by them. So 3 integer 1/2 plus 2 integer 1/2. You will convert them into improper fractions first. 3 2s are 6, 7/2 plus 2 2s are 4, 5/2. 2, 7 plus 5. It will be 12/2. When you will simplify, you will get answer 6 kgs. You have to write units also. Now 6th question, I'm doing the B part. You will do rest of the parts yourself. You can do this question in book only. Now B part is, you have to write this missing fraction. Now you see, you are subtracting 3/21 to get 5/21. It means denominators of both the fractions are same. So here also denominator will be same. Write the numerator. You have to see from which number you will subtract 3 to get 5. You will subtract 3 from 8 to get 5 because 8 minus 3 is 5. So answer is 8/21. 7th question, the teacher taught 3/5 of the book. Mahesh revised 1/5 more on his own. How much does he still have to revise? Teacher taught 3/5 of the book and Mahesh himself did 1/5. Total book revised is equal to, teacher taught 3/5, Mahesh revised 1/5. It means total कितना हो गया 3/5 plus 1/5. So it will be 4/5. Now how much is left? And in case of fractions, total of anything is 1. So it means from 1 you have to subtract 4/5. So book left is equals to 1 minus 4/5. Now you have to convert them into like fractions. So denominator is 5. So 1 can be written as 5/5 minus 4/5. So it will be 1/5 is the answer. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? Means Javed had, how much fraction he is having? 5/7. And how much is left? It means from total you have to subtract 5/7. In case of fractions, total is always 1. So it will be, first you have to make them like fractions. 1 can be written as 7/7 minus 5/7. It will be equal to 7 minus 5/7, which is 2/7. This is the answer.